Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to join Weverse and connect with your favorite artists and fans, here's a quick and easy guide on how to create your own Weverse account using the mobile application or website. So let's get started. First, download the Weverse app from Google Play Store or App Store or go to weverse.io on your browser. Once installed, launch the Weverse app. Tap Join or Login button at the bottom. Choose to register with email, Google, Twitter or X or Apple ID. For this demo, we will go with our email address. Enter your address. Tap Continue with this email. Tap Sign up for now. Now set a strong password with letters, numbers and special characters. Once done, tap Next. Here, enter your desired nickname, but for now, I'll go with this one. You can also change it later in your account settings. Tap Next. Now read and accept Weverse Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. This also confirms you are 16 or older. And tap Next. As you can see, a verification email has been sent to my mailbox. Let me check that. Tap Verify Email. As you can see, my account has successfully joined Weverse. Now let's go back to our login page. Now fill up these empty boxes with the credentials you used while creating your account. Once done, tap Login. Now here, choose the language you prefer. For now, I'll go with English. Once you're done, tap OK. Browse or search for your artist. For example, BTS, TXT, Blackpink. I'm a big fan of Blackpink, so let me go with that one. And tap Join Community. Now you can see official posts and fan updates. And that's it. You are now part of Weverse. Post content, comment, follow artists, and explore special features like translations and fan profiles. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.